Here we are in the Superman Olympics 2025. We've had two. We failed at the start. We've had two mind-numbingly difficult climbs done by me. And then we got Superman Lewis on the new 309.
Done twice by you, Tom.
Yeah. Get in the groove, get in the groove, get in the groove. He's got it. Stay in the groove. Bounce on them roots. Watch that tree on the right there. He's got it. Bit of bunny up in. Bunny up the roots. Bunny it. Bump it. No! No, you'll dig a trench. Roll it back. No, you got to roll it back and bump over, or you'll dig a trench. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you got to bump over that root. Otherwise, you just dig a trench. Look, your back wheel's dropped a foot. I guess we're not out of shit yet, then, are we?
You done well, Lewis. I thought you were straight up there, mate. To be honest.
You're gonna make me come down there.
What?
I really wanted to go there, but I couldn't.
No, that'd be nice out there, wouldn't it? We'd all like to have gone out there.
I thought you were up, Lou.
Oh God, here we go. Let's get my geriatric ass back down. You got. Now you. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, you got your pegs and your gear lever in this side. Is there not to the second, is it?
I've got these on this side now.
Whoa. All right, just hold on a minute, because I'm going to need two hands, so I'll hand the camera over to Si a minute. Si, can you film this, please? Look, I'll just pan at the dirt. Camera's running right now, okay? Right.
Give me a minute, Tom.
Oh, yeah. That's a fucking hole, that is, isn't it?
Oh, I need a minute.
Can't even roll it back. All this powder.
Can we maybe run it back, Tom? Look. Look here. If we run it back here.
Yeah, come live here.
Got this bit.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
You think we can run it back?
Yes.
If you just put a cross on it now, people will think it's been buried. Yeah, you got the brake lever in that tree there.
No. I got the brake lever over, but
You're gonna have to lift the ass up. I think you're gonna have to stand over the top, yeah? Hold on. Yeah. Hold on, mate. It's really stuck on. Oh! Hold on. Right, if that was 2 foot wider to the side, if it would have gone down here, I reckon I can take a different burn number. It would have gone through there if it was 2 foot wider to the side.
วันนี้มัน too big ไง he buy too big.
You alright when you go? I don't know, I might get it up, yeah. I'll try it. How many beers am I getting if I get 3 out of 3?
Again. Oh my God.
Lisa, can I have a lift I can't. I don't know where to put this.
Darling.
Oh, I gotta break. Oh, I think I'll break this fucking. I'll break this guard, mate. Right. Oh, I've got fucking ET legs. How am I gonna get back on?
Yeah, I'll do it, son.
Oh.
Shoulders are fuck now. Even easy riding is going to be hurting the wood.
Who's the fucking trail king around here?
Me.
3 out of 3! Look upon my works, ye mighty! Oh, fuck me. This is it's time for fucking beer now. Let's go.
Right, ready, Mac now?